Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to give you a quick update on crypto.com Coin, take a look at Bitcoin and the entire crypto market cap as a whole because right now some things are selling off and I want to let you guys know what I think about that. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. So guys, right now we're seeing Bitcoin trade just barely underneath $37,000. However, there's something important to take away from this. Lots of altcoins are selling off. And on top of that, Bitcoin dominance is coming down with it. Now, you may ask, Blacksea, what does that mean? That means that there is profit taking happening right now. People are selling off their altcoin positions and they're selling off their Bitcoin. And quite frankly, they're exiting the market. To be honest with you guys, I know that doesn't sound good, but guys, Bitcoin's still trading at $36,700, just barely underneath 37K. We've got altcoins that have just doubled and 3x'd over the past couple weeks. We need this. Just yesterday I was just talking about how on the short-term time frames, we are due for a pullback. But on the higher-term time frames, guys, on the higher-term time frames, we have a lot more room to go to the upside. Guys, I will be the person to say this right here. These dips right now are for buying. These dips are for buying right now. This isn't like the bear market when the dips just keep dipping. No. We've moved past that. There is ranges that we're going to be trading between, yes, but the opportunity is much more favorable to the long side where we are at right now. The higher term time frames on Bitcoin indicate we have much more room to go. All this is right now, guys, is people taking profit. And to be quite frank, it's premature profit. People taking profit right now, probably a lot of these people have been holding since the previous cycle top. And they've been riding it out and they're saying, oh, this is my first chance to get out of here. And usually these people are also the people who have not witnessed and been a part of previous cycles. This is the first cycle. Because right now, this move to the upside, yes, I was prepared for a pullback on the shorter term time frames. But when you look at the higher term time frames and you put that in correlation with where we were at in the 4-year cycle, we're about 150 days away from the halving. These dips are for buying, guys. And I mean, honestly, Bitcoin isn't even dipping right now. What's really happening is people are taking their profits out of altcoins and exiting the market. They're exiting the market, guys, because they're taking their profits and they're running. They're taking their money and running. And I'll tell you once, and I'll tell you again, guys. Nobody went broke taking profits. That's a cliche I love saying all the time. However, I do think this profit taking is a little bit premature. I really do. I think that these dips that we're seeing are for buying, and we're going to see in the not-so-distant future if I'm correct or not here. But leading into the Bitcoin halving, I will not be selling, guys. I think that that's a mistake. I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but I do believe, in my own opinion, I think it is a mistake to be selling significantly and exiting the markets as we get closer to this halving, especially with all this Bitcoin spot ETF news just looming around the corner. So I do want to talk about Crocoin because Crocoin has broken below a very key resistance level or support level. I was really hoping for it to break out, retest, and resume off, but unfortunately we broke out and we broke back down underneath the level of 10 cents, about 0.0992 to be exact. And unfortunately, guys, I do expect sideways price action with a more likelihood of a downward motion on Crocoin for the short term. Emphasis on the short term, guys. Like I've been saying, on the higher term time frames, guys, Bitcoin has a lot more room to go. I think 40,000 is an appropriate price target, maybe even 45,000 leading into the Bitcoin halving. And if it's not leading into the Bitcoin halving, it'll be a few months after the Bitcoin halving. I think that there's a high likelihood of us making a move to the upside. Guys, on the crypto Twitter timeline and the influencers on YouTube, the crypto influencers, guys, we're down, what, $300 from the important level of 37K. Guys, the bears are rejoicing. They are so excited, and it's, to me, when I see that off of such a minimal move, ooh, it's scary. I wouldn't want to be a bear right now. I would not want to be a bear right now because it's a very, they're going to be in for a world of hurt here soon. I mean, we've just made a large move to the upside, and they're rejoicing over a extremely small move to the downside. They're seeing some of the altcoins sell off a little bit because people are taking profits after a massive run-up. But they're rejoicing, guys. The bears are rejoicing, and I wouldn't want to be a bear right now. I would not want to be a bear right now. I am right now. These dips are for buying, not for selling. Not for selling, guys. But you know, it's not financial advice. That's just my opinion. I think that there's a very pivotal moment here. I mean, we have some time to cool off, to consolidate. I would really like to see us consolidate at this level, about the 37,000. But honestly, between 37,000 and 32,700, healthy level, healthy channel, consolidating like that on this support here at 32,700. That's a healthy level. Healthy level, especially if we continue to get these weekly candle closes above 32,700, especially 35,000. It just solidifies my thesis that on the higher term time frames, we have a lot more room to move to the upside, guys. It looks very good. Looks very, very good. Don't get shaken out by these short-term moves. I don't necessarily think that all this volatility coming back to the market was a anomaly and only here for a week. I think that it's here to stay, this volatility, and I think that we're going to be seeing some fireworks in the next coming months. So be patient, guys. Don't be too worried about Crocoin, even if we do come down to, say, test 8 cents. Maybe the 0.0810 cent. That was a very, very key level for a little while there, which we blew past when Bitcoin made its rally. But don't be surprised if we come back down there. And don't panic. Don't panic, guys. I mean, look at this. We've come up all the way from 4.5 cents, 5 cents, and we 2x'd already. We 2x'd, and the bull market hasn't even started. It's very exciting stuff. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please go below this video. We have some awesome referral links. $4,100 sign-up bonus with Femex, $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet. It's awesome. These exchanges want to give you guys money because the hype is coming back to crypto. Obviously, if you're going to be leverage trading, be very, very careful. It's risky, but there's free money on the table, so feel free to check those referral links out. Also, if you want to, consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT Alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, guys, we're going to be giving away $500 of the Bitcoin to a different member every single month leading up to the halving. We love giving back to you guys. But that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. Go follow me on Twitter at 333 Blacksea right here. Very, very active over there. But that's all I got. Thank you, guys.